This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude BH35 Diesel DBL Slide, 1.5 baths, King Suite is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, refrigerator, air conditioning, TV, self-contained, Skylight, stovetop burner, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bath and a half, bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude BH35 Diesel DBL Slide, 1.5 baths, King Suite is built on a Ford F550 chassis and is powered by a Powerstroke engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.